Hi. In this video, we will demonstrate how to utilize batch mode to perform create action. We will start by focusing on creating records. Specifically, we will illustrate how to create contacts for newly created accounts. For instance, when a person account is created, we aim to generate a contact associated with the account utilizing the account's details. For example, here I have created new two accounts. These accounts don't have any contacts associated with it. So let's start creating the batch rule. We'll first create a batch rule with the batch name create contact. Here the source object I am selecting test account because we are once the account is created we are going to create associated contact for that account and the batch size is 2. Next we will filter the account record based on three conditions. The account type must be customer direct. The ownership should be either private or the active status should be yes. So I am giving the filter expression as 1 and 2 or 3. So the first one is account type equals customer direct, and the second condition is ownership equals private, and the third condition is active equals yes. Once we have narrowed down the records, we will proceed to create contacts for each qualifying account. To do this, we will select the create action and choose contact object as create or update object. We will then use the details from the respective account to populate the contact record. For example, account ID will be populated with the accounts ID. So, account ID field account ID. Next, the last name will be populated using account's name, and the contact phone will be populated using account's phone number. Next, the contact description is we will specify whether we are extracting values from the account or providing them ourselves by selecting the appropriate mapping type, field for values from the account and value for manually input values. With the batch rule successfully created, our next step is to schedule its execution at a specified time. We will navigate to Apex Scheduler, add scheduled job. Please specify the job name. Select the batch rule name and specify the time, seconds, minutes and hours. Now the time is 5:46 p.m. So I am giving 5:47. We can also choose the frequency daily or once and the month for the job to run. If we want it to run every day, we will select start and schedule the job accordingly. We will wait for the job to execute. Here the job name will be there and the state of the job, when was its last runtime and the next runtime. You can delete the job using this action. Now the job has run. Now we'll go and check the account records whether the job executed successfully by ensuring the contacts have been created successfully for each account, meeting the specified criteria. So the three criteria we gave was customer direct, ownership as private, and the active should be yes. So for these two accounts, now an associated contact would have been created. See, the contact name is account's name, account's phone number is contact phone number, and the description is person account's contact. This demonstrates the process of creating and scheduling a batch room effectively. Thank you.